Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Sofirn HS20 Headlamp. It is rechargeable and you can replace the battery if you like in a couple of years in a long range until it will be not so fresh like new. Then you can replace it. So this make this headlamp so reliable and long-lasting. 2700 high lumen headlight. This is a lot. This is a really bright side. Super bright head flashing light with floodlight and spotlight option, and both together. With USB-C charging port. Battery inserted for walking, hiking, camping, and of course in case of emergency. Using one XHP50.2 light emitter diode plus and one LH351D light emitter diode, this is the 2700 lumen maximum and reaching a maximum distance of 235 meters, both emitters. CREE XHP50.2 produces an intense throwy beam, well for longer distance, whereas the Samsung LH351D provides warm tint, high CREE fluid pattern, outstanding close range illumination. The HS20 runs on one powerful battery. The Type-C charging port is built in and allows fast recharging of the battery within the flashlight. It can run for 26 hours in low mode, 8 hours in medium mode, and 2 hours in high mode when both of the two LEDs are on. This high-powered light is IPX8 water resistant and impact resistant up to 1 meter for dependable performance. It can be used in rainstorm except of diving underwater. And it looks really cool. That's really cool. You have a couple of options there, okay? Luminous, okay? Throw, Eco Mode 10, low 60, medium 300 lumen, okay? High 900. And Turbo, click 2 times on the button, 2300 lumen. Flood. The flood light emitter diode will give you in Eco Mode 5 lumen, 40 in low, medium 150 and high 400, and awesome turbo mode 1000. And the throw flood, that means both together light emitter diodes, lumens 12 in Eco, 100 in low, 350 in medium, and 1000 in high. And then Ultra Monster Crash Turbo 2700 lumen. Wow! The running time of this device with a full battery pack or full battery installed is through 312 hours, 312 hours in Eco mode, 38.3 in low mode, 10 in medium, and in high mode 3.5, and in turbo 2.9 hours. I think it's a long time. Flood 312 in Eco, 45.3 in low, 14 in medium, 4 in high, and 2.9 in turbo. Both together, throw and flood, 100 in Eco hours, 26.3 in low, 8 in medium, high 2, and turbo 1.6. Both together. That's so much turbo cross luminate. Wow! The distance. Throw 9 meter in Eco, 24 in low, 47 in medium, 87 in high, and 136 in turbo mode. Flood 5.5 in Eco, 15 in low, 29 in medium, 47 in high, and 75 meter in turbo mode. That's nice. This was the distance. The intensity in Candela is throw Eco 21, 148 in low, 565 in medium, 1903 in high, and 4647 in turbo mode. Flood is the Candela. Intensity is in Eco Mode 7.5 Candela, 57 in low, 207 in medium, 553 in high, and 1418 in turbo mode. That's really awesome because this Sofirn quality is a good quality because it is built out of reliable materials. The HS20 is a dual emitted headlight fitted with super high CIR 90. That's a lot. Each in their own custom lens. The LH351D provides a closer range flood beam, while the XHP50.2 provides a longer reaching profile. These are special made light emitted diodes, LEDs. Both emitters can be adjusted separately because there are two buttons over it, used independently or both at the same time. This is ideal for a variety of hobbies, sports and professional use. That's really cool. Really, really cool. And of course, we have more. The battery type, you can replace it. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery dimensions is 1865021. Nominal voltage is 3.7 volts, and you can replace it if it is necessary. Really cool. Then it's really easy, as you can see, to remove the caps, because the caps are good tightened with a rubber O-ring that makes it waterproof itself. And then we can replace on one side the battery. On the other side, we can recharge the battery. And of course, the HS20. The HS20 is a powerful headlamp. We never point a beam directly at the person or animal or moving vehicles. Doing so, it could cause retina damage. So do not allow children to play with it. It's a professional tool for runners, for hikers, and of course for guys and girls which need a lot of beam power in front of the ears. The operating the headlamp for a long time in turbo or high mode will warm it up. This is normal, okay? But take care of it. But you know that the HS20 is intended to be used with an 18650 rechargeable battery. When installing the battery, we make sure that we install it correctly. Okay? Avoid hitting or dropping the headlamp, of course, but it is a robust and nice designed Sofirn headlamp because it comes with 3 stripes over your head, and this holds this lamp really good in position on your head itself. Really cool to install the lamp easily by using the rubbers, and then you can adjust it in the angle as you like. Awesome, easy performance. This is Sofirn HS20 Headlamp, and it is rechargeable with 2700 high lumen headlight, super bright head flashing with floodlight and spotlight. You can choose USB-C charging, battery inserted for walking, hiking, camping, and emergency. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.